some unsuccessful days have been experienced today as the original plan to do fun zones, haunted hallways, and torture chamber has been ixnayed. It is the last haunt event or haunt experience in Niagara outside of the one across the way, which I look forward to doing on another trip that I have yet to take in and review for you guys. So with a little bit of a gap here, although pending, maybe at some point in the future I will be able to do the fun zone, but for some reason they did not allow that filming today. I'm going to seek permission from the manager that was not available to hopefully do that at some point in the near future. So here I am in the reopening of COVID-19, stage 4 of a reopening here in Niagara Falls and Clifton Hill. So it's a bit of a mini vlog as I'm just going to cover the falls and the views that you get here. Hopefully get some haunts in that I've done before on Clifton Hill a little bit later, but those will be in a separate video. But for now, a document of the frustrations of being a vlogger once again here on First Drop. Let's enjoy a little view of Niagara Falls in the winter. One thing I'll say, if you want that personalized experience of Niagara Falls, which is like basically never seen before, then now's the time. Wow, I've never seen anybody not on this path. There's a couple people behind me, but really, this is the most vacant I've ever seen this attraction in its history, or at least in the time that I've known it. Yeah, so get down here while you can before the throngs. They are coming eventually. They're going to come back. One of the best known parts of visiting Niagara Falls I've never actually covered, which is the official welcome center. It's located right next to what is the most famously known vantage point of all of Niagara Falls, which we're at right now for the first time with nobody there. Woo! You can tell the First Drop is excited about that. But this is the spot where you can get closest to the falls and the Horseshoe overlook point. Quite treacherous because people often just decide to get as close as they can to the falls to get that perfect shot, which again is not advised. Because as you can see, as we're going to go over there now, the hail has returned from our earlier part of another vlog. We're as that entire section of the walkway is pretty much a sheer drop all the way down. Most people don't get dangerously close until they reach this area here. Which is the hardest shot to get in all of Niagara as you look directly over the edge. I think it's about 150 feet approximately. This is a spot that most people foolishly try to get a good shot of. As you can see, here is the ledge, and there is that drop. The first drop of all first drops. And the current that you can see just going over the edge. It's remarkable that there's nobody here. I get to actually enjoy it without muscling in for a shot. Okay, that's it for now as I try to warm up a bit and get ready to hopefully go and enjoy currents, which will be another video. And then we'll come back out and check this place out again at night as it's illuminated at night. And there is also a festival of lights, which I think is still on. So we might cover that at the end of this video if it's on. All right, well, we'll see you in a bit. And we're back in strobe motion because it's so dark and there's not much lighting around here, but I just took in the fantastic currents, so definitely check out that vlog or that video review, etc., whatever we want to call it, because I'm still yeah, I was well impressed by that. You know, other than slightly being on the pricey slide for $30 for a half an hour presentation. Really fantastic. They really did well with that as far as finding something new to offer here and unique here in Niagara Falls. So definitely check it out if you're in the area, because yeah, it was definitely worth it. We're back now at the falls at night time, as you can probably guess, as I quickly just cover the night look of the falls as best I can for you to enjoy with the multicolored lights. Now this happens year round. The lights do change color based on certain themed events as well. Most notably that I can remember is them being purple for the passing of the purple one many years ago now, unfortunately. That would be Prince, of course. But now it's a multicolored presentation. You do get like red and white for Canada Day. You do get red, white, and blue for Independence Day, among other major significant events that they can sort of pay homage to. Red, white, and green for you know what, Christmas time. We're gonna go on the other side here and try to get a better view for you to enjoy and close out this mini vlog. It wasn't really planned, but due to a sort of whirlwind day that I've had here in Niagara Falls that's still not done, those of you that know my most popular video, a sequel for it is coming tonight, where I face off once again with Dracula's Haunted Castle, round 2 of the scariest attraction in Niagara Falls.